Are you still typing manually data into the table like this? Let me show you a simple way that convert text like this into a table like this instantly, just a few clicks. Okay, let's start. Let me remove all this. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, this example and this different example. Okay, this example separated by comma. Just go to insert, table, convert table, text to table. Okay, just click that and it knows our number of column. It's 4 column, and the width I choose with fit with content. Okay, and okay, boom. See, you got it. Very clean, very fast. What about this one? It by type, separate the data by type. Just select it, insert, table, convert to table. This time, boom. Let me choose fit with content or fit with window, up to you. But this time it automatically select by type. If it other option like comma or semicolon, you can choose here if the data like that. But in this case, by type, just click OK, boom, you got it. So you got the idea. Okay, hope you learned something from the video. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.